Alright, so I got my 4 pod lights from Cavalier lighting. I just finished making the harness. Basically, I like to test it before I install them, make sure they work, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm ready to install. Alright, so this is basically how I did it. I made each individual one with their own 2-pin connector. Each has their own length, so that way they can go all the way down to the bottom. And at the bottom, I have like this main harness that goes from the engine bay to the back. This has the female end, each of the pod light has a male end, and they should all be hidden underneath the truck so you can't see anything. Alright, so I got everything routed. Pretty much all the wires are hidden for the most part. I'm trying to make it look as clean as possible. So I'm just done with the back side right now. And then I'm just going to connect this to the other piece of the harness, going back there, and that should be done. Alright, so I'm all done. It's all wired up, all the way up to the engine bay. They turn on using my aux beam. Yeah, that's pretty much it, the finished product. Try to hide the wires as much as possible. It turned out pretty good. Yeah, once it gets darker, I'll show you guys the output on these. This is the finished product. They have a pretty good output of light. Basically what I'm going to be using is for setting up camp. Typically I get to camp pretty late at night, so it's pretty good to have a little bit of light when setting up.